Are you looking for the winner's best sheets? In this video we will look at some of the 4 winner's best sheets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Overall. One of the only sheet sets we tested to earn perfect marks in all 6 categories, the Olive Plus Crate Cooling Eucalyptus sheets worked for even the hottest of sleepers. We felt cooler after simply handling the sheets, and lying in bed, we continued to be impressed with their cooling ability. We tested the sheets at home for 3 months. After 1 month, the sheets felt just as cooling as when they'd come out of the packaging, and we noticed our sleep had improved. Overall, we fell in love with the smooth and satiny feel of these sheets, which felt more like silk than cotton. The price really sets these apart as some of the best sheets you can buy. At less than $200 for most sizes, these are a steal for the quality. Throughout the testing period, we didn't see any piling, but after 3 months, some of the pillowcase seams started to come loose. By the end, the sheet set still felt cool when we slept on it and was still smooth and soft after frequent washes. The sheets are available in a handful of serene colors beyond white and gray, like sage and basalt blue, which we loved. The one downside we noticed is that there's no tag indicating the top and bottom of the fitted sheet, which adds some guesswork when making the bed. Still, it's not too much of a con when you consider all the benefits of these sheets. Product details: material, tensile eucalyptus lyocell fibers, sizes, twin, full, queen, king, California king, and split king. Pocket size, 17.5 inches. Certifications, Eco-Tex Care, machine wash. Number 2. Best Budget. We tested this set at home for 1 month and were impressed by its soft feel that we likened to a worn-in t-shirt. We tested these sheets on a 10-inch mattress with a 2-inch mattress topper. The fitted sheet's pocket size isn't listed by the brand, but it fit our bed with ease and even had some leftover fabric, so it would work on slightly larger mattresses as well. Despite our testers tossing and turning throughout the night, the fitted sheet and pillowcases stayed in place throughout the testing period. One of our favorite parts about this set is its cozy texture that keeps getting softer with each use and wash. The set remained in great condition throughout testing, even when our dog dug into them more than once. The sheets feel thick, which some people may not like. However, as hot sleepers, these sheets kept us cool and comfortable while we slept. Overall, we plan to keep these in our bedding rotation and think the set is a great value. Product details: material, cotton. Sizes, twin, full, queen, and king. Pocket size, not listed. Certifications: Eco-Tex made in Green Care, machine wash. Number 3. Best Flannel. The Koyoka Cloud Brushed Flannel Sheets will keep cold sleepers warm, even on cool nights. We were impressed by how super thick and luxurious these sheets were. They reminded us of cashmere, yet they felt surprisingly breathable, making them a great option to layer under blankets. In fact, the sheets were so warm that we felt we could use the top sheet on its own as a light blanket on slightly warmer nights. After 2 months of use, the sheets remained velvety soft, with no signs of tearing and snagging. The sheets are available in 3 neutral colors that look and feel very natural. Those who run cold would especially appreciate how cozy these are. However, they'll probably be too warm for someone who runs hot at night, even in the winter. Product details: material, cotton. Sizes, twin, full, queen, king, and California king. Pocket size, not listed. Certifications: GOTS, made safe care, machine wash. Number 4. Best Sateen. While sateen doesn't have the same purported skin benefits as silk, the Brielle Home Sateen sheet set looks and feels a lot like real silk. Despite heavy use over 6 months, the fabric remains smooth and soft with no fraying or loose threads. The color also didn't fade or change at all. These sheets look a lot more high-end than they really are. For the price and the performance, they are a great value, especially in summer months or for those living in warmer climates. When we laid down on them on cold days, it felt like touching ice. That said, they warmed up pretty quickly and we still enjoyed them for colder weather as we could layer in warm PJs and blankets without overheating. There are only a few color options for this set, so if you're looking for earth-toned neutrals or fun patterns, you won't find them here. We noticed that the sheets shrunk a little in the wash, but they still fit on our mattress easily. The material does tend to wrinkle, so keep that in mind. Product details: material, tensile lyocell sizes, twin, full, queen, king, and California king. Pocket size, 16 inches. Certifications: none care, machine wash.